Welcome to Ease India Travel, where we make the journey as beautiful as the destination. Today, we are going to introduce you to something very special: travel packages tailored specifically for senior citizens. Why we focus on senior citizen travel? One of the main reasons behind organizing senior citizen tours is that very few companies truly cater to this segment. Seniors often find themselves struggling to keep up when traveling alongside younger or middle-aged groups, feeling left behind due to the fast pace. We recognize this gap, which is why we design packages specifically tailored for senior citizens. Senior citizens deserve trips that are stress-free, enjoyable, and well-planned. And that's exactly what we offer: a personalized, curated experience that caters to every need of our seniors. So what makes us stand out? Slower pace for added comfort. We understand the importance of a relaxed journey for our senior travelers. That's why we extend the trip by an extra day to ensure a slower, more comfortable pace. We thoughtfully incorporate relaxation time, nap breaks, and plenty of rest, allowing seniors to truly unwind and enjoy their experience without feeling rushed. Comfort and convenience. We prioritize the comfort and convenience of our senior travelers by carefully curating every aspect of their journey. In more complex destinations like Meghalaya, Sikkim, Ladakh, Kashmir, or even Bhutan, we select activities that are most suitable for their age, ensuring their experience is enjoyable and safe. Hotels are chosen with accessibility in mind, avoiding places with excessive climbing or physically demanding access points. The ethos of Ease India Travel is to never lose sight of the overall experience, ensuring that our senior citizens feel comfortable while making unforgettable memories. The team at Ease India provides 24/7 on-tour assistance, ensuring that our seniors are never alone and always have help available whenever they need it. Local partnerships. We partner with local people in every destination to provide tailored support and resources for our senior travelers, ensuring a more enriching and safer experience. Dietary care. We take special care of the dietary needs of our senior travelers, ensuring that their meals are tailored to their preferences and health requirements, so they always feel comfortable and well taken care of. One of the biggest advantages of traveling with Ease India Travel is our all-inclusive packages. Seniors can enjoy the freedom of traveling without worrying about carrying money, except for shopping, of course. Our packages cover everything from 3 meals a day, evening snacks and bottled water, to local SIM cards for international travel. We also take care of all necessary fees, including entry tickets, guides, drivers, parking, visa processing, taxes, and even airfare. In short, everything is included, allowing seniors to focus on enjoying their journey without any hidden costs or concerns. Flexible payment options. We offer EMI payment plans to all our clients, allowing them to divide the cost of the travel into manageable monthly installments. When it comes to senior travel, safety is our number one priority. Ease India Travel ensures that all travel plans are backed by comprehensive safety measures. Medical assistance. We provide 24/7 on-tour medical assistance. Whether it's a small health concern or a bigger emergency, help is always close by. Comfortable transport. Our travel packages include comfortable, senior-friendly transport with shorter travel times and frequent breaks to ensure a relaxed journey. Small group sizes. With group sizes kept to 12 to 15 people, we can ensure a safer, more personal experience for everyone. We organize tours specifically designed for unique groups because many women, whether married, divorced, or widowed, desire to travel solo and explore the world. Our offerings also cater to single men, who share the same passion for adventure. We believe that our senior citizens should not only discover the beauty of our country, but also have the opportunity to explore the world beyond. Over the years, we've noticed that senior citizens are often stereotyped as needing quiet and relaxed experiences. At Ease India Travel, we aim to break that stereotype. We've seen that many seniors are eager for adventure, seeking thrills like river rafting, experiencing vibrant nightlife, dancing in clubs, and enjoying lively karaoke sessions. With us, all of this is not only possible, but also encouraged. The most popular destinations for senior citizens are the beauty of Meghalaya, the stunning landscapes of Kashmir and Ladakh, the historical wonders of Hampi, the serene backwaters of Kerala, the tropical paradise of the Andaman Islands, and of course, the last Shangri-La on earth, Bhutan. Comfort, safety, and peace of mind, always. So why choose Ease India Travel? Our satisfied customers say it best.
Company.
Oh, you're fantastic. I should actually thank Ritu for choosing this particular group and travel, and we enjoyed the best.
So
We enjoyed the best.
till now, how
My trip was wonderful and everything was taken care. We have absolutely no issues of anything for that matter. Excellent. 101 out of 100.
I'm Kalyani.
Yeah.
I'm from India, Chennai.
So how was the arrangement, like a hotel and the
Excellent.
transportation?
Everything is excellent.
Thank you.
I love you boys and girls.
Okay. So in future, any idea you want to come back or?
Sure. I want to come in different seasons.
Okay.
And enjoy Bhutan.
Okay. Thank you.
At Ease India Travel, we believe that travel has no age limit. We ensure that being seniors does not mean compromising on the experience of exploring a destination. Every journey is designed to be enriching and fulfilling, allowing our travelers to fully enjoy the beauty and adventure that each place has to offer. Ready to plan your next journey? Call us or visit our website today. Thank you for watching, and remember, with Ease India Travel, you're always in good hands.